Most major health problems don't actually begin in your heart. They don't start in your liver either. They often begin quietly inside your gut. And today, I'm not even talking about obvious junk food. I'm talking about the everyday habits and regular meals at home that slowly weaken your digestion without you realizing it. If you understand this today, you could prevent half of your long-term health issues right here. And stay with me till the end because I'll share a simple 3-ingredient kitchen remedy that can naturally support digestion, reduce bloating, and calm acidity. Here's something most people don't realize. Your gut doesn't just digest food. It controls your energy levels. It influences your immune strength. It affects your skin clarity. It even impacts your mood. In fact, your gut is about 20 to 25 feet long and contains hundreds of millions of neurons. That's why scientists often call it the second brain. Your gut also helps produce serotonin, the chemical that helps you feel balanced and positive. So when digestion is off, it's not just bloating or gas. You may feel low energy, irritated, anxious, or unmotivated. Now the real question, why does gut health decline? The first reason is highly processed foods becoming a daily habit. The second is frequent use of painkillers and antibiotics. Third, chronic stress and constant overthinking. Fourth, poor sleep and late-night eating. And fifth, long-term constipation, acidity, and bloating that never truly get fixed. Over time, these factors weaken the gut lining. When that lining becomes damaged, unwanted particles can enter the bloodstream, something researchers refer to as leaky gut. But here's the good news. If you fix the root habits, your gut can recover. Let's talk solutions. First, fiber. Many people say, I don't overeat, but I always feel heavy. Often, the issue isn't how much you eat. It's how little fiber you consume. Your gut bacteria feed on fiber. Without it, the good bacteria weaken, digestion slows down, and bloating increases. Add foods like oats, whole grains, vegetables, apples, pears, and beans. But increase fiber gradually, not all at once, to avoid discomfort. Second, probiotic foods. Your gut contains both good and harmful bacteria. Health depends on balance. Foods like plain yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables introduce beneficial bacteria that help restore that balance. Just avoid flavored or heavily processed versions. Third, prebiotic foods. Probiotics are the bacteria. Prebiotics are the food for those bacteria. Onions, garlic, bananas, oats. These nourish your gut ecosystem. Fourth, hydration. If you're not drinking enough water, digestion slows, stool hardens, and toxins linger longer than they should. Aim for the steady hydration throughout the day, not just when you feel thirsty. Fifth, give your gut rest. Intermittent fasting, even a simple 12 to 14-hour overnight break from food, gives your digestive system time to repair and reset. It's not about starving, it's about spacing meals wisely. And finally, reduce added sugar and ultra-processed foods. These weaken beneficial bacteria and fuel imbalance. The simpler and more whole your meals are, the better your gut performs. Now, here's a simple supportive drink you can try. Boil 1 cup of water, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of coriander seeds, and a few crushed mint leaves. Simmer, strain, and sip warm after lunch. Cumin supports a smoother digestion. Coriander helps calm heat and acidity. Mint eases heaviness. It's not magic, consistency was key. Imagine this: lighter digestion, stable energy, clearer skin, calmer mood, stronger immunity. That's the power of a healthy gut. If this helped you see digestion differently, stay connected. Your health transformation starts from the inside.